It's the weekend and it's cocktail time. So what I'm making for you today is a margarita. I have my ice lined up. I have 2 ounces of tequila, any kind you want. I have an ounce of Cointreau. You can also use Marnier, any orange flavored liqueur. And this is agave nectar, a half an ounce of agave nectar to sweeten it up a little bit. And this is the juice of a lime. Here we go. Now, I didn't have a margarita glass, so I'm using a martini glass. Mix it up. I put salt around the rim, and the glass was in the freezer. You like to have it nice and chilled. Here we go. Oh, the agave. You can double up the ingredients if you like, but this is it. A delicious margarita, and the agave's on the bottom, so let's mix it up a little bit here. And this is my cocktail before dinner. That's delightful. Hope you try it. Another one of my famous cocktails.